Hey guys, today I will be teaching you how to beam on Roblox. Disclaimer: this is for educational purposes only. Before you start, you must join this Discord server. If not, you must need to use this link to create a link for beaming. First, you need to go to this link. Now you will need to enter a real username such as Mr. Flimflam. Then a display name, which you can make up. And Flamingo is sexy. Now you will need a webbook. To get a webbook, you must create a Discord server. Then go to General Text. Then go to Settings. Then press on Integrations. Then press Create Webbook. You should get one automatically. Now you press Copy URL. Then paste the URL into the webbook section at your link. Now press Do It. You will be getting a Discord notification on your server you just created. Now press Sign In. Then press Do It. Now you're in. This is where you can get your information from the beamed accounts. Here is the Roblox link you have created. Thank you for watching. Good luck beaming.